Good morning, students. Welcome again to the class of English Literature. Today we are going to study the novel Kanthapura, as we have done in last few videos. We are covering the whole summary of this novel chapter wise with the help of videos. Today we are in chapter number 15th, so let's begin it. Chapter number 15th, Picketing at Borana's Todi Grove. Borana is a name of place. Todi means Desi Sarab, a kind of tree, and with the help of this tree, Desi wine is made from out of it. And grove, Grove, grove means bagicha. And the first word picketing means dharna dena. Introduction to the chapter. A messenger from the Congress committee at Karwad came one morning. कारवाड़ से एक कांग्रेस कमेटी का मैसेंजर आया. He informed Murthy and others that the Mahatma had been arrested. Murthy called a meeting at once. At once means तुरंत, and said that they must start Don't Touch the Government campaign. Campaign means अभियान. मूर्ति ने कहा कि हमें डोंट टच द गवर्नमेंट को स्पर्श मत करो या गवर्नमेंट का सहयोग मत करो, इस प्रकार का एक हमें कैंपेन शुरू करना होगा. एट लास्ट द कॉल फॉर एक्शन केम. दे वर आस्क्ड टू प्रोटेस्ट मीन्स विरोध करना द गवर्नमेंट. कारवाड़ से एक आदेश आया कि अब एक्शन स्टार्ट करना है और उन्हें गवर्नमेंट का प्रोटेस्ट करना है. A parallel government was established and Range Gowda was appointed as the Patel, the People's Patel. As we already know that Range Gowda was former Patel of this village, but government, after some struggle, government removed him from this post, and now the people again appointed him as the Patel. If the Patel appointed by the government came, he was not to be recognized. तो लोगों से यह कहा गया कि अब गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई दूसरा अगर पटेल हमारे गांव में आता है तो हम उसे पहचानेंगे नहीं, मतलब हम उसे कोई दर्जा नहीं देंगे. एंड नो टैक्सेस वर टू बी पेड टू हिम इवन इफ देयर लैंड्स वर टू बी अटैच्ड. और हम उसे किसी भी प्रकार का कोई भी टैक्स उसे नहीं देंगे, चाहे हमारी लैंड्स जो हैं उनको अटैच ही क्यों न कर लिया जाए, मतलब उन्हें अधिग्रहित ही क्यों नहीं कर लिया जाए. And then on Friday, after a few days, they must begin Don't Touch the Government campaign. They must picket Borana's Todi Grove. For Todi is an evil, a means of corruption. means साधन, कि जो तोड़ी है वो एक बुराई है, एक करप्शन का एक साधन है, एंड एक्सप्लॉइटिंग द पीपल, और लोगों के शोषण का तरीका है. However, before the campaign begins, they must purify themselves of all evil within them. They will not be soldier at arms, but soldier saints. उन्हें यह भी कहा गया कि उन्हें ये धरना देने से पहले स्वयं को पवित्र करना होगा, प्योरीफाई करना होगा, क्योंकि वो आर्म्स वाले सैनिक नहीं हैं, हथियारों वाले सैनिक नहीं हैं, वे संतों वाले सैनिक हैं. Murthy addressed the people and asked them, "You are all with us." And we cry out, "All, all." "You shall harm no one." Then they said, "None, none." "You shall go to the end fearlessly." "All, all." "And there shall be neither Brahmins nor Pariha." And the Pariha shout out Mahatma Gandhi ki jai. And an uncontrollable emotion takes hold us all, and Murthy says the Panchayat had decided that it shall be on Friday the 17th that we shall begin the fight. पंचायत की तरफ से ये डिसाइड किया गया कि शुक्रवार को आगामी 17 तारीख को हम ये धरना देंगे, हमारी फाइट शुरू होगी. एंड पंडित वेंकटेशिया सेज few days could be more auspicious. Auspicious means शुभ. And we say so only 3 days more. And Murthy says, till then pray, purify yourselves and pray. And we all cry out, Narayan, Narayan. In this way, the people were prepared psychologically, not in Kanthapura alone, but every nook and corner of India. Nook and corner means at every place. On the appointed day, on Friday, men, women, and children, 139 people in all, began their march. March means आगे बढ़ना. To Borna's Todi Grove. As they neared the grove, they could see policemen on all sides. Soon the police inspector came up to them and warned them that they were forbidden to march to the grove. पुलिसमैन ने उनको वार्न किया कि आप तोड़ी के ग्रूव की तरफ आपको जाना मना है, आप उधर नहीं जा सकते हैं. It was against the law. Murthy told him that he knew it, but he was following the instructions of the Congress and he will continue to do till death. They continued to move on, and so they reached the grove. A large number of carts came up and the cartmen joined them. Now, in the next paragraph, Murthy and Range Gowda opened the gates of the grove, and suddenly Rachanna slipped in and shouted Mahatma Gandhi की जय. मूर्ति और रांगे गौदा ने उस बगीचे के गेट खोल दिए और रचन्ना अंदर चला गया. He climbed a toddy tree. The police rushed at him and banged lathis at his legs. Amidst shouts of Vande Mataram and Mahatma Gandhi ki jai, more and more people entered the grove and climbed the trees. The police rained blows after blows, but to no avail. पुलिस ने उनके ऊपर लाठियाँ बरसाई, बहुत सारी बरसाई, परंतु सब उनका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ. Twigs were broken. Twigs means टहनियाँ. Twigs were broken. टहनियों को तोड़ा गया, तोड़ी की टहनियों को. एंड ब्रांचेज वर कट, और शाखाओं को काट दिया गया. Even women and children bore the blows bravely. Bore means सहन किया. यहाँ तक कि महिलाओं और बच्चों ने भी वो जो ब्लोज हैं, लाठियों के ब्लोज, उनको ब्रेवली सहन किया. The novelist gives a graphic account of those tense moments in his usual inimitable rhythmic prose, and we rush and we crawl and swaying and bending and crouching and rising, we move on, and the lathis rain on us, And the cartmen had come back again. They feel so angry that they too cry out, Mahatma Gandhi ki jai, and they too rush behind us. And we feel a new force in us, and we say, we shall enter the Todi groove and tear out at least a Todi branch and break at least a Todi pot. एंड देयर आर श्रीक्स का मतलब चीखें, साउट्स चिल्लाने की आवाज़ें, एंड क्राइज एंड सॉब्स मीन्स सुबकियाँ रोने की. एंड द मोर वी आर बीटन द मोर वी गेट यूज्ड टू इट. एंड वी से आफ्टर ऑल इट इज़ नॉट बैड, आफ्टर ऑल इट इज़ नॉट सो बैड. And our bangles break and our saris tear means फाड़ना, and yet we huddle and move on. Policemen try to pull down the people who have climbed the trees. They slip down amidst loud laughter, and their discomfiture provides dramatic relief. So this kind of the description was made by the novelist Raja Rao. Now in the next paragraph, at last they are arrested and carried in waiting lorries to the Santur police station. Rachanna, Lingayya and Siddhaya are sent to the lockup, and others are taken away in 3 different directions in lorries and left at distant places to walk back on foot to कांथापुरा. रचन्ना, लिंगैया और सिद्धैया को अरेस्ट कर लिया गया, और इसके अलावा जो अन्य व्यक्ति थे उन्हें 3 अलग अलग दिशाओं में दूर ले जाकर छोड़ दिया गया ताकि वो पैदल कांथापुरा आएँ. It is dark night and their ways lies through a dangerous forest. But they continue to march back with hearts palpitating with fear. Then they come across some cartmen. वो सभी एक घने जंगल में से उन्हें लौटना था. उनका जो हृदय है वो डर के मारे काँप रहा था. तभी उन लोगों को कुछ कार्टमैन कुछ गाड़ी वाले उनको मिले. Who gave them a free lift, जिन्होंने कि उनको फ्री लिफ्ट दी. They reach कसवंतपुरा, where Rangama's cousin Subbiya gives them a hero's welcome and entertains with milk and food. Then they are escorted to Kanthapura like victorious heroes returning from a war. And they gave us new carts and beadles walked in front of us. Lanterns in their hands. Lanterns means lalten, रोशनी के लिए. And before them walked iron shop Imam Khan, gun in hand and fire in his eyes. Our carts clattered and creaked through the dense means ghana, drowning night by the gold mine hill and Shiva Gorge, and up the Minu Craig and down again to the valley of the Himavati, where lies Kanthapura curled like a child on its mother's lap. So this was the description made by the novelist how Kanthapura lies in that region that was surrounded by the gold mine hill, Shiv Gorge, Minu Craig and the valley of Himavati. The next morning they planted their trophies before the temple gate. There were 5 twigs of todi trees and a todi pot. So this was the chapter number 15th summary. I hope you all got the idea. In next video we will meet with the summary of chapter number 16. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.